Dr. Aloy and Mrs. Ada Adibe, may you please come on down?
Aloy, my brother. Good to see you.
AKA Aledo, who is the president of Igbo Association in Jacksonville. Biko Kuruni Haka. In every country, there are people whose profession is to talk to us and make things happen. Either by lobbying, they bring grants, they bring money to the community. And amidst their busy schedule, someone found the time to come be with us tonight. It's quite an honor to have her. So I'm speaking in the person of State Senator Owerri Gibson. Could I please bring it down here, or you want to sit? You okay where you are? Come on. Mr. and Mrs. Moses and Violent Iguano. Thank you, thank you, thank you. More music, more music, more music, everybody now. Mr. AGK and Dr. Onyekorije. Are there any help? It's not a person but my president, Chief and Lolo, Adol, Chok, and Roslyn Ibe. The next on the list is Chief and Mrs.
Many times when we come together, if it is a mixed audience, I say the prayers in English language. But when I look around here, I'm going to say the prayer in our own mother tongue, the Igbo language. If you don't hear Igbo, God will make known to you what I have said in Igbo, in English. Now I can and Kopara like a monster. Amen. When you are as a dear bube, onye nwanne nwe mmadụ ikere anyị na oyiyi gị chọọ anyị mma n'ụzọ dị iche iche, ya anyị onyinye amara dị iche iche. Anyị ezukọọla dịka ndị Owerri Progressive Union, yana ikwu na ibe na ndị enyi. Ebe kele ekele maka otu si wee mee ka nzukọ dịka mgbe bịa bụrụ na onye isi oche bịa gozi ihe oriri nke a ga-eri na ọha nke anyị na-aṅụ, ka anyị nwee ike mee ihe niile n'ịhụnanya na udo, ka otuto na nsọpụrụ wee bụrụ nke gị, ngozi gị wee ruo anya ahụ site na Jizọs Kraịst ahụ bụ onye nwe anyị.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have the colonels here. Where is the president? The president here?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. I'm not going to make a long speech because my hand is full with our traditional kola nut. And I know they were trying to hand it over to the president of the association, but as he's not here, I have the honor to try to call on our Reverend to bless this kola nut. Before I do that, I'm going to thank the Owerri Progressive Association for bringing this kola nut for us, because that's the traditional way to go. Without this kola nut, this function will not get started. So please, Reverend, can you come forward and help us bless this kola nut?
Yes. You open? Then I need a pen. America. Oji. Oheji Marania. Anandi Igbo. Nando Owerri. Gibiangani. Anyewe Oji. Anshari Oji Gwagi. Gibiangani. Ashenyi Bela. Ashegi Bela. Gizana Oji Kwashi. Iniche Oji. Ma diko ono. Netiki ono. Ewa Ramaji. Shingo Jefi. Ana maja Chineke. Kailinde. Togia. Randos. Travike. Travaniru. Travaniru. La encuentro mai. Anya. Huejilurani. Anya. Zomo takrani. Uzo kwete. Kaya riche fu ebaishia. I believe it. Otu ya demande June to time. Oh, asuma. Nuja asu. Milegia. Anaga pani pesi milegia. Bale mai yana ka kawe na dentro de como na kemma na kokara na kemwan so
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
I got the logic, and anyị gakwa n'ime ihe ọjọọ iche wụrụ ọjọọ. Ka nle onye ga-echoro ọjọọ a wuo onye nọ nso. O nwere ụmụ ahịa n'ọhịa? Okay. Ka but o nwere dede anyị hụrụ ọhịa today, the senior atọrọ ọnụ. Biko unu buru ọjị a bunye ya ka o were ọjị dị nsizie ga ngawa.
Chineke onye zuru anyị n'oge ya bụ isi anyị na-egbuo anyị tara anyị atara anyị ntị tara ọganihu tara ogologo ndụ dịka asụ ụmụ akwụkwọ anyị ndị Chineke akacha na ya echebe anyị jiri anyị ya mara anyị ihu ya na-ahụ anyị mechaa na anyị anyị gara na-egbu
ndị Igbo kwenu, Africa kwenu, Nigeria kwenu, America hi. Thank you. So we are really happy to see all these distinguished men and women, the senator, the chiefs, all protocol observed. I came all the way from New Jersey, that's where I live, and have been in Jacksonville since Thursday. It looks like I like it over here. So I'm making plans to move to Jacksonville. We started really late, but don't worry, you will get all the full entertainment, what we call the Owerri style. You will get the Owerri style, so here tonight. We are really glad for you guys to take off from your busy schedules to be with us here tonight. We appreciate your presence.
Good enough. So, without further ado, I'm going to ask the chairman of this occasion to give us a remark, his remark, okay?
I know you're going to have a lot of me tonight, and I'm going to make sure that we enjoy this occasion. But before I even start, I'm going to go back to what our MC mentioned earlier, and I'm going to apologize on behalf of the Owerri Progressive Association for starting late. I have hosted more than 6 conventions all over. Originally, I'm from Owerri, and we do hold conventions every 2 years. It's not easy to organize a convention. Whatever happened today, we know they tried their best. So we're not going to hold it against them. And on behalf of everybody here, I apologize for us starting late. But that's not going to negate the reason we are here today. Even though I know the president probably escaped his memory and to tell us why we were here, today. But there is a reason, because there is a smoke, there's no smoke without fire. Every convention that I've attended, there's always a reason for attending the occasion. And because of that, before that, I just want to thank the Owerri Progressive Association for giving us the opportunity to join them here today, to celebrate with them, and also to help them achieve the objectives or the milestone that they intend to achieve. Again, My name is Francis Ahamefule. The need is there, but the fund is not there. And because of that, as the chairman of this occasion, I'm going to use $1,000 to aid the Owerri Progressive Union. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're used to events like this. A couple weeks ago, we were in Arkansas, where we raised funds for the Human Bandwagon Congress to build the schools that in the teacher. And at that point, I was able to get relief of my position, having been the president for 6 years. So tonight, I understand what is really going on. We have to support our people. Where government fell, we feel it. But without too much, I'm going to support with $500.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Prince, the only Prince doing the bar. There you go.
Well, good evening, or as I heard earlier, hi. I'm a quick learner. I won't be long. I just wanted to make sure when Vandelli invited me this evening, this is an awesome event. My heart is so full just from watching all that you all do. Not only just talking to each other, but the entire culture in the room is awesome, and the respect is awesome also. And I just wanted to say that first. So if only in our communities here in throughout Jacksonville, we could gather together like this, there'd be so much more productive things happening, probably less gun violence, and less meanness based on party. And we should not be that way. So I really appreciate you all and the camaraderie and that you embrace me too. So I really thank you for that. And so when Vandelli invited me this evening, I told him I wanted to do a proclamation from my office. And so what I love about doing proclamations, and this one in particular, is I learned so much about the organization, the Owerri, is that the correct pronunciation? Owerri Progressive Union. I practiced it yesterday in my office. I was pretty sure I was saying it right. And the love that you have and the care and compassion that you have for your countrymen back in your own country is unheard of. So I appreciate that. So yesterday I got a good history lesson and a good glimpse of the progression in recognition of their service, compassion, and concern for the people of NDE Owerri. And in the proclamation, I simply talk about all the things that the union does in conjunction with the NDE and the respect that you all have for your membership, your families, and elders. I thought that was really very, very interesting. And so much that you do, including for the training, vocational, agricultural skills training, entrepreneurship, and all those things that your people need to survive, right? You care about those things. And I'm really honored to be able to be here with you all this evening. And see some of my friends I haven't seen in a long time. Dr. Ashton, who's my doctor, in case you probably don't know that, but he is. And his wife, we've all known each other for many, many years. Toby Mandeli has been a close friend. And there are others here that I've known over the years too. So thank you all very much for letting me ramble and take a lot of time. But this is my Senate proclamation, and it's dated for today. And it's signed by me, Owerri Gibson, State Senator, District 6. Thank you all very, very much.
Good evening. On behalf of my wife and I, we will donate a sum of $300 to the cause.
So you can? That's not a mic, that's my goal.
My name is Omema, one of the Union Bama, the quadruple chief. Currently, I'm the president of the Union World Congress. 5 years ago, OPU came to our convention and supported us very, very effectively. So today we are returning the favor. I will support the way the people to the $100.
Good evening, everybody. It's my pleasure to be here. I've been away to Nigeria for 3 months, just to know how about it. And I made it a point of meeting to be here to contribute to my widow's night. I've already made a check. It's a check ready for this occasion to start getting it. I'm giving you that check to support the mission.
I like what you all are doing tonight, and I'd like to support this association on behalf of my wife. I'd like to support this association with a sum of $300.
Check. Igbo kwenu. Owerri kwenu. Afamo Chidema Madubike. I am currently the president of Igbo Association in Jacksonville. So we say now my support to OPU on behalf of my family. Ndeba is a now Kaka Hawaii corner to Kwasa. So more of my family now support OPU with a sum of $300.
Igbo kwenu? Igbo kwenu? Ndawara kwenu? My name is Dr. Wilfred Moses Achalani Jr. I am very much honored to come today to support the Owerri Progressive Association. The objective of the association is very, very clear and it's very direct and simple. Having a dialysis center for people is something that is worth having. It is nice to have a single objective, accomplish it, and show the result. What I will require and demand is that when we progress, we'd like to see accountability and what has been done with the money. We'd like to see that very, very splendid dialysis center done. For that reason, since the objective is right and it's very clear and it's really very much needed, I'm very much in support of it, and I will support it more in my pocket, some of $300. On behalf of my wife and family.
Yes. I would have checked and you would have checked in the Owerri Progressive Union. One of them is Dr. Rachel Ebuja. $150. And the other person who Nonye and Patrick is the one, $50. And the other person who Dita Margaret, $100. And I have Dr. Aloy and Mrs. Adibeme, $200.